everyone, and welcome to the new Blue Sky Fibers knit along or learn along, if you will. We're doing the FloraAdora hat, and so we're going to take you through several videos where we learn all the different techniques that go into the different portions of the hat. So you can see the hat, and so when you start your project, you're going to have your hank of wool stock worsted and your chosen bundle. So they start out like that, but then they become this and this. So what I like to do to prep my bundle is I like to wrap the color around the card so it's ready to go anytime I need it. So that's kind of how you can prep your stuff. Now you're going to go ahead and cast on, and a very frequent question that we get is, or that knitters in general may have when knitting in the round maybe for the first time, is how to make sure that your stitches aren't twisted. And it's really easy. After you're done casting on, you just lay your needle down on a flat surface and see all of your stitches are lined up. So that means you're ready to go, you're not going to be twisted, and you're going to be successful on the first round. So for corrugated rib, which is what we're doing in this video, you've got your main color and then your first color that you choose to do your corrugated rib with. So what you're going to do, you place that marker for the beginning of your round, and let me get my yarn where it belongs, and you're going to go ahead and knit your first stitch. Now in corrugated rib, it's two colors of ribbing. So your contrast color is going to be your pearl. So put your needle in as if to purl. And just add your new color. Move it towards the back position like you normally would to get ready to knit. But this time, you are knitting with your main color. So knit with main color, bring your contrast to the front, and purl with the contrast color. Now, if you're someone who's very ambidextrous and does well knitting with yarn in both hands, you could choose to put one color in your left hand, one color in your right. I do it this way because this is the way I'm comfortable. Either way is correct. You just want to make sure that if you're purling, you're doing it with the contrast color and you're knitting with the main color. And so you're going to go ahead and do this for 5 rounds. And it feels awkward at first, but you do get a feel for it. You get it positioned in your hands and it's perfectly fine. And you just become more comfortable with flipping the yarns back and forth so you can work on your rib. And so if you're looking at, see, every other one, and it corresponds to the corrugated rib chart that's in your pattern. So you can see that that little horizontal line is your purl, and you are doing 5 rounds of that. So that's going to be the corrugated rib. That'll get you started. When we come back the next time, we will actually get ready to do our Latvian braid.